Hey guys, what's up? This is your host Drona. How is the lockdown going on? Hope you guys are indoor and safe. From the title of the video, you guys must know by now what this video is about. Yes, you guys guessed it right. I'm gonna talk about RTX Voice. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So what exactly is RTX Voice? RTX Voice is an exciting new software that eliminates background noise from your voice in runtime. It can be used everywhere, from online meetings, while playing games and streaming, etc. Of course, the software is still in beta phase. So how do you use this feature? Well, Nvidia officially announced that this feature can only be used in systems with RTX cards. But here is the catch. You can install this on other systems as well. To know how this can be done, please check the video in description. Installing this feature is pretty simple. You go to Nvidia's website and download it directly from there and install it and use it. I'll be showing it in the video. So now I will be showing you how to install this software. So basically you need to go to the link in the video description, and then you need to go to the setup guide, and here you can see the link to download the app. Click on it, it will start downloading, and the size of the app is around 330 MB, so please think about that if you are using metered connection. I have already downloaded the software, so I will be installing that. And before installing this, please make sure you have latest Nvidia drivers installed for your graphic card. So without any further delay, let's start installing. The installation process is pretty straightforward. So double click it, it will ask for the permission, then click on yes, then it will bring up the screen for installation. Yeah, as you can see, it opened this Nvidia installer. So basically you need to agree the license agreement, and then it will check whether the graphic card which you have is compatible with the software. So basically you need to have the RTX graphic card, then otherwise you won't be able to install the software. There is a trick to install if you are having GTX card. Check the link in the description. So then you just, after completing the installation, then close the app, then it will launch the app. The user interface of the app is pretty easy and pretty simple. I'll be explaining that. After you install this software, when you start it, you can see this window. So it is a pretty straightforward window and easy to use. So there are two options, so input device and output device. So basically input device is like the microphone which is connected to your system. So right now mine is like this Realtek audio USB, and I have enabled this tick mark, so which basically means like whatever input comes into the system will be going through this RTX Voice software, and all the noise which is present will be removed by this software. Once you enable this, there is another step which you need to do. This depends on the software which you are using. So if you are using Zoom or Streamlab OBS or OBS Studio or whatever, so there will be a common option which will be present in all these softwares. So you need to basically go to the settings of this software, and there will be an option called audio or something similar. So once you go there, there will be input or mic or auxiliary or something like that. So you need to go there and select it, and here you can see there are number of options, which is Realtek audio USB, Nvidia RTX Voice, and some more. So basically here you need to select the Nvidia RTX Voice and click apply and OK. Right now I am recording this audio using this software. So let's see. I will try to disable this suppression or noise reduction and see the changes. So as you guys can see, right now I have disabled this noise suppression, and you can see or hear the difference. There is a background noise and which you guys should hear right now. So, and once again I am enabling this, and it is enabled right now. So you guys can hear that the background noise and is like removed everything, and you can hear my voice pretty clearly. I'm using a mechanical keyboard, so while using it makes a noise, so I will try to create some noise using it and see whether the RTX voice able to remove the audio successfully or not. Right now I'm trying to simulate putting a cap on the water bottle, so let's see how it sounds. By the way, this is without RTX voice. Now I am trying to record the like putting the cap on water bottle with RTX voice, so let's see how it sounds. Hey guys, this is a audio recording without RTX voice, so I just repeat the famous sentence which contains all alphabets. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Hey guys, this is a audio recording with RTX voice, so I just repeat the famous sentence which contains all alphabets. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. So, what is the verdict? Should you guys install this software or not? If you are having an RTX card and don't mind dropping a couple of frames, yes, you heard it right, there is a performance impact if you use this software. Although it is designed for RTX cards, you can still install it on older GTX cards. Personally, I would recommend RTX Voice because it works pretty well and is supported by more softwares like OBS, Skype, Zoom, Streamlab OBS, etc. RTX Voice is still in beta phase, and when it is released officially, I'm sure the software will be more polished. For more information about installing RTX Voice on GTX cards or performance impact, check the video description. Thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Comment if you want more videos on RTX Voice or any other topics. With this, Drona signing off. Bye, peace and happy gaming.